Morning student, myself SP Kelkar, math teacher from Nan Prakash Vidya Mandir, Aurangabad. Today we are going to start a new chapter, equation in one variable, chapter number 12, which is from the mathematics part second. Now in this chapter, equation in one variable, in equation there is use only one alphabet, means we can use x or y or m or n. For that, let's recall we already studied this solving the equation. Now see some examples. X plus 4 equal to 9. Fill in the boxes to solve the following equation. For that, see the example, x plus 4 equal to 9. We want to cancel this 4, which is the left side of the equation. For that, for the cancel of this 4, we must subtract same number from this side. Then we cancel it. See, x plus 4 minus 4 means same number is subtracted from this left side. We subtract 4 from this left side, then we must subtract same number from this right side. This is the left side, this is the right side. So we subtract left side 4, then again we subtract 4 from the right side. See, this 4 cancels. So we write down here only x. 9 minus 4 we get here 5. In this way we solve this equation. Now see, x minus 2 equal to 7. Now in this left side we want to cancel this minus 2. So we add 2 in this left side. If we subtract 2, then minus 2 again we get minus 4, means this minus 2 is not cancelled, again it increases. So x minus 2 plus means we add 2 in left side, so that we must add same number in the right side also, that is the 2. Minus 2 plus 2 cancel, so x equal to 7 plus 2 means 9. Then see in this third example, x divided by 3 equal to 4. Now in this left side, in denominator there is 3. This 3 we want to cancel here. So we multiply this term by 3. Then we cancel this 3 with 3. So x divided by 3 into 3. So left side we multiply 3, then right side we again multiply by 3. So this 3 and this 3 cancel, so we get here x, and 4 into 3 is 12. Then we see the fourth example, 4x equal to 24. We want to cancel this 4. So we divide this term by 4. Then see, we write down here 4 divided by 4. Then same number divide to the right side. Divide 24 by also 4. Then this 4 cancel, we get here x. 24 divided by 4 we get here 6. Now in this way we solve the equation. Now see, these equations are also we can solve in this way. X plus 4 equal to 9. We transfer this 4 to the right side. At the time of transferring this 4, we change the sign. Plus 4 goes to the minus 4. So 9 minus 4 is x equal to 5. Then x minus 2 equal to 7. So we transfer this minus 2 to the right side, change its sign, minus 2 to plus 2, 7 plus 2. So 7 plus 2 is 9, x equal to 9. Now in this left side, x divided by 3. This 3 is in the division. If he goes to the right side, then it's multiplied to the right side number or right side term. Here this in the division form, divide, and here goes to the multiply. So x equal to 4 into 3, that is the 12. Then here 4x equal to 24. In this position 4 is into x. 4 in the form of multiply to x. Here 3 in the form of division. So this 4 goes to the right side and divide to the 24. Here divide, then multiply. Here multiply, goes to the right side and divide. 24 divided by 4 is 6. X equal to 6. In this way we solve the same equation by this method also. If you want to solve this equation by this method, you can solve it by this method also. Solution of the equation in one variable. See the example. X equal to 4 by 5 in bracket x plus 10. Solve this equation. See, multiply both the side by 5. We want to cancel this 5 so that we multiply this left side. See, there is the equal side. This is the left side and this is the right side. So multiply both side by 5. So x into 5, again 4 upon 5 in bracket x plus 10 bracket close into 5, means we multiply this side by 5 and this side also 5. So this 5 and this 5 cancel. Here x into 5 is 5x. Then we write down 4 into in bracket x plus 10. Then multiply this 4 to the x and also 10. So 4 into x, 4x, 4 into 10 plus 14. 5x equal to 4x plus 40. Now we want to cancel this 4x from this left side, right side. So we subtract same term from both sides. So subtracting 4x from both the sides. So 5x minus 4x and 4x plus 40 minus 4x. See, we subtract 4x from this 4x. So this 4x and this 4x cancel. 5x minus 4x is x equal to this 40. Then x equal to 40. We solve this equation in this way, x equal to 40. Good day, goodbye, okay.